Hey guys, Officer Earlier here, back with Coaster Velocity, and today we're going to be riding the Harry Potter choo-choo over to the dinosaur coaster in the rain.
Stay seated, and please, no puking pastel.
What the hell did she say?
I've never been on this.
Oh, oh, this is not compatible with my camera at all. I can see color lines.
It's getting dark out there.
Let's find a compartment.
Could use a snack. Where's the food trolley? Marnie, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Ron, food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gamp's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?
You're absolutely right.
Whoa.
Inspector Patrona!
Are you alright, Harry?
I'm okay. Okay? That was brilliant.
Dementors on the Hogwarts Express. Foul, miserable creatures. Something from the trolley, dear. I'd say you'd earned it.
Any chocolate frogs?
Oh, dear. Let's get back to your seats now. I'll try and round up these little runaways. Dementors on the trolley.
See you, Hagrid. There he is. I want to take that to a mechanic. It's the Weasley Mobile. Oh, we just pulled into Hogsmeade.
Did you see that flame out the boat? Take your belongings.
Take your belongings.
It's so funny, these mirrors up here, I think are one-way mirrors with surveillance cameras on the other side. Hopping off the train in Hogsmeade. This looks way better than the Hogsmeade station from the movies. Here's a look at the train. As you can see, the wheels aren't even touching the rails. Quite a gap there. The wheels are actually touching the rails at the spot where they're not supposed to. You can see the actual wheels right there. And now we're in Islands of Adventure. Let's go ride VelociCoaster.
Right, you want to do more wizard?
Well, we'll come back and do some more wizard stuff later. Like, we gotta get in line for VelociCoaster because Izzy's gotta go to SeaWorld soon.
Fair enough. Well, you must have done something right for people to be so excited. Happy birthday! Oh, you have followers? I hear that's a big thing today. Well, thanks for walking up and walking away. Very cool there, radioactive boy. Oh, hello there. Greetings and salutations. Welcome to the Courtyard Club. I'm Oliver Stone, the Mystic Fountain.
So cool. I think I got off the Hogwarts Express and I went the wrong way.
Yeah, I understand. A lot of people end up here right after riding around with Hagrid. They're a little loopy.
I know, laughing.
It's natural. Don't worry about it. Don't freak out. You're good. You're among friends. You're okay.
Yeah, this place is awesome.
Oh, I'm so glad you're enjoying it. What's your name?
Oh, my name's Sean.
Sean or John?
Sean.
Nice to meet you, Sean.
Thanks. Nice to meet you.
Can you sit down or whatever? There's a little spot over there in the shade.
Oh, no, it's beautiful out today.
Oh, yeah? Oh, good. I'm glad you're enjoying
Yeah.
our intermittent weather.
Yeah, you should go ride VelociCoaster.
I would love to, and maybe one day, but I'm too tall.
Yeah, I don't think you'll fit in the restraints.
I'm just, yeah, people don't realize there's a height restriction in both directions.
All right, have a nice day.
You too. Have a wonderful day, Sean. Have more adventures. Just take it easy.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, don't overdo it. Go in for the long haul.
That's so cool.
Right.
I love the interaction with that guy.
Right,
It was,
that's pretty fun.
yeah, it was really cool. Like I said, I got off the Hogwarts Express and went the wrong way. And he's like, yeah, people do that all the time. I think I said Hagrid's though. He's like, yeah, it's a loopy ride. But then I told him to go ride VelociCoaster. And he's like, yeah, I don't think I'll fit in the restraints. Yeah, people don't realize VelociCoaster is height limit in both directions.
Right.
Jurassic Park. Hogwarts. Hogsmeade. And they're running out of space here at Islands of Adventure. You know, usually they try to separate the lands a lot better, but you know, it's not. Hogsmeade's right there. Inside the Discovery Center, just outside VelociCoaster, got some dinosaurs. Damn, I just went to the bathroom and it went up 10 minutes. That's all right though. Some dark clouds off in the distance. Hopefully we don't get rained on. Look at that cloud. I really like how Intamin tested out some track stuff. Look at that. What a way to end the ride with the Mosasaurus roll. Hopefully we get out from underneath this like hold section and out underneath solid roof, because I'm already feeling a couple of drops. It just started to pour outside and we luckily got indoors just in time. These people are getting crazy ass rain rides right now. It's pouring out. It is absolutely chucking it out. Yeah. Yeah, like this ride's still running. Yeah, I think they could still run this in the rain. I don't see why not. Intamin usually designs their coasters to run in the rain, except that they're hydraulically launched. It's raining so hard outside, and the train flies by. It just blows all the rain out of the way. It's so cool looking. They just sent the last train out and yeah, it just went down for weather. Yeah, they must have detected lightning in the area. It's usually within 10 miles or so and they close down the rides. We're switching the entrance sign off right now. We're gonna wait a little bit, I think. It'll probably go back up.
Inclement weather in the immediate area, VelociCoaster has ceased operation. We will keep you informed on further developments. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause, and thank you for your cooperation.
There's no way those trains could articulate the curvature of that drop.
Attention.
Also, it kind of looks like Expedition G-Force, except not straight down like that.
Real live raptors.
We're not allowed to enter the paddock. It's still closed. The line isn't moving. We're just chilling. The rain stopped a little while ago, but they're still not sending trains. That is such a cool effect. That's cool. The Raptors do something different every time.
Despite it being an LSM launch, these things have retractable rollback.
Attention, we have great news. The inclement weather has cleared the area. We are
Looks like we are going to get on this thing today after all. That's exciting. The eyes are so lifelike on those. It's crazy. Let's get a locker and get up in there. Oh. That's so funny. I know they didn't say anything. Just, oh, bye.
Right.
Yeah, it's still raining.
Oh, shit.
Yep. God. Whoa! Oh, it's running so fast. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Woo! Here we go, second launch. Whoa! My God. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Oh my God! Woo! Yo! Oh yeah! Woo! Here we go! Mosasaurus roll! Woo! Oh my God! What a freaking crazy ride! I love this thing so much. Oh my God!
Lucky you're wearing glasses.
Oh yeah, you're getting pelted. Oh, we just got off a rain ride on VelociCoaster. That was really fun. I like that ride so much. It's definitely my number one. Oh, the transitions just flow so nicely together. Like, you know, you do the twist and shout, and you go around. Everything is just feels so seamless. It's so funny, there's a Jurassic Park roller coaster flying through Hogsmeade.
Right.
Yeah, what a fantastic ride. We ended up waiting like, I don't know, 2 hours for it, but we got on it.
Totally worth it.
I know. Second day in a row, we had to wait excessively long to ride it. That's all right, though. Right outside of Seuss Landing, they have this theming. I don't think it does anything, but it's pretty cool. There's like buttons.
Side of that road is
It's so funny. It breaks your immersion in all the other lands. Like, they had this Harry Potter voice lady telling you to wear your mask everywhere in both parks.
Right, and they don't even enforce it.
No, nobody says anything to you. But we're actually about to get on this ride big over here. This big, wait, Oh my god, this thing's running so fast. Holy crap. Yeah. Oh wow, yeah, I grayed out all the way down the first drop, into the Cobra roll, and then into the vertical loop, and then this tunnel. I was like, oh my god, I was losing my vision. It was insane. This thing is great. Oh my god. So whippy. And of course it's running extra fast right now because the track's all slicked up from the rain. Wow, what a ride. We're over here by the exit because Izzy has to head out. He's got to go work at SeaWorld now. It was cool chilling with you today. We got a lot done.
Yeah, we had fun.
Larry Copper, the muggle who can't cast spells.
Right.
Yeah, we're gonna test out the wand again in a little bit. We're gonna go back into the Harry Potter areas.
Awesome.
Yeah. I'll see you later, bro.
Yes.
Thought VelociCoaster might go down because it's pouring rain, but no, it's all good. That train's lights don't work though. They're having a lot of issues with the lights on the trains. I noticed they're like glitching out. They're only supposed to be like blue colored, but I've been noticing like different colors popping up on the train. Sometimes it like fades into like some oranges and like yellows. It's really weird. We're gonna walk over here. I'm not gonna ride it right now because I actually have another ride I have in mind that I haven't been on yet. We're gonna go back over into Hogsmeade here in a little bit, and we're gonna check on Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Let's see what that ride's about. It's another indoor dark ride, so at least we won't be getting wet. Seems to be the theme today. Just a lot of rain. A 45-minute wait right now for VelociCoaster. That's pretty tolerable. You just have to watch the weather in the area. No lightning. They said the Hulk was going to go down any minute, actually. But I think it's still running. I saw it going right when we walked back over here. They're testing Flight of the Hippogriff. I don't know if it's going to open because it's raining out, and that ride runs on drive tires to go up the hill. So the tires get wet and the train slips. So they keep it closed in the rain usually. Over here in Hogsmeade, the line for butterbeer is totally tolerable. But let's see about the line for Forbidden Journey, because that thing was absolutely intolerable yesterday. I think it had a 110-minute long line, and then Flight of the Hippogriff also had a crazy long line. I think it was 60 minutes for flight yesterday. I cannot freaking believe it. It's a freaking kids coaster. Let's get on Harry Potter. It's only showing a 25-minute wait. Then you can put your bags in the locker for this ride, so I'm gonna leave you guys in there with my phone. I'll record all the inside stuff with my glasses if I can. It's not going to be as good of quality, of course, but I'm running low on battery life here. And the park is still open for a couple hours.
Hang on tight! Ron and Harry will meet you outside!
Hermione did it! They're flying! Keep up, Ron! We're on our way! We'll meet you outside!
Whoa! Oh my
Sorry
god!
about that. Those benches can be a bit dodgy.
What the hell?
And we haven't lost anyone yet. Not this week, anyway.
Hey, you lot! Haven't seen a dragon, have you?
Right, come on. We'll nip over to the Quidditch pitch. Hagrid! The dragon! Look out!
God.
Follow my voice!
Wow.
The forest isn't safe! Hold on tight! Aradia Exame! Hurry on to the Quidditch pitch! And watch out for the Whomping Willow!
Wow.
Look out!
crazy.
Oh wow, we just got off Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. That ride is extremely good. Oh my god, the scenes in there are fantastic. The ride motion vehicles are really cool. It's very immersive. You really feel like you're flying with Harry Potter. It's so cool. Definitely wasn't worth 110 minutes though. I wouldn't wait for any ride for that long. Maybe VelociCoaster. But yeah, we had an excellent time on there. If you're prone to motion sickness, I don't recommend it. It's a very long ride, and there's a lot of moving around. Like, I feel like we might have gone upside down. I don't really know. Well, we're in Hogsmeade, and we got our wand ready here. We haven't done any spells while we've been in Hogsmeade, only in Diagon Alley. So for this one, you just cast your spell like that, and boom. I don't think it's gonna work. The window's all foggy. Yep, nothing. I'm really starting to feel like a muggle here. I can't get any of these spells to work. This one should work. The one in the middle. Have you seen it work recently? Yeah. Really? I think my wand might be messed up. I dropped it maybe one too many times. Made in China. Yeah, probably. Sometimes if you just like freaking just wait, like I don't know. There's two of them right here at this window. You go. Why are you not working? I am a muggle. Sometimes if you just shake your wand violently at them, they work. It doesn't make any sense. Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure is on a weather delay currently. Yeah, I give up on being a wizard. I guess I'll just be a muggle for the rest of my life. Due to the rain, it looks like VelociCoaster is on a weather delay, unfortunately. It's too bad. I would really like to get up in that single rider line, even though it hits capacity super easily. There really isn't much space for the single riders in there. But yeah, we got onto the bunch of this trip anyway, so I'm happy with what we got. It would be nice, but I understand weather is not cooperating with us so well today. Wow. Yeah, it wasn't supposed to rain like this today. It said it was going to be cloudy until about 8 p.m., which is when this would have closed. Just too bad it couldn't have held off a little bit longer. But, oh well. It is what it is. Soggy indeed. I'm soaking wet. It's amazing to me that Reign of Kong can still be open in the rain. It has a little outdoor scene where the vehicle's out in the weather, so that's surprising to me. I'm surprised. Yep. Said that 3 times. Toon Lagoon. Dudley Do-Right just doesn't seem necessary right now. It's actually closed. I can see a boat up there at the top of the lift stop. Man, is there anything open right now? It kind of sucks. Got a wait time board over here. Hagrid's is closed to weather still. Let's see what else we got. Come on. Dr. Doom closed to weather. Spider-Man 25. Reign of Khan 25. Forbidden Journey, we already read that today. Crap. None of the good rides are open. Even Flight of the Hippogriff. Oh, wait, no, yeah, that's the kids' coaster. I don't know why I thought that was the dark ride. Yeah, look at all that. Oh my god. I didn't even know One Fish, Two Fish was an outdoor ride. I thought that was a dark ride. Yeah, everything that's outdoors right now is currently closed. Spider-Man's open right now, the 25-minute wait. Unfortunately, I'm soaking wet already, and it's air-conditioned in there, so that would not be a very good experience. I hate air conditioning when I'm soaking wet. It's absolutely the worst thing in the world. So I think we're actually going to head out for the day. Unfortunately, day had to end a little bit early. The park closes in about 2 hours. But yeah, we still got a lot done today. We came a little bit early, luckily. So we got on VelociCoaster, Incredible Hulk, and a couple of the other rides. I'm really happy we did all we did today. It was awesome. Unfortunately, I just checked the weather radar, and it looks like there is no sign of it clearing up anytime soon, unfortunately. But yeah, like I said, we got on a ton of good rides, and this park is fantastic. It's definitely my favorite I almost called it an amusement park. My favorite theme park. Like theme parks or amusement parks try to call themselves theme parks, and like this is proof that there's a difference. This place is fantastic. I can't believe how good of a time I had at this park. Even in the pouring rain, we still had some good rides. We got VelociCoaster, Hulk. Oh man, yeah, great day. Now I get to walk through City Walk in the pouring rain. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. That is such a cool effect.